And welcome back to the Trying Dutchman. This one is about a tree that had to go. Not my favorite video, but enjoy. It's a pity. Said earlier, want to make that little roof for the trailer. Got the drawing done. Then I thought, I'm taking a risk. That elm, it loses branches every year. It's gonna fall on the roof, damage it all, can start over. So, got a quotation to have this one and the one next to it removed. And yeah, they're 5 weeks behind, so my project comes to a standstill and wait till, what is it? Well, he might squeeze it in earlier. And they just pulled up one Saturday morning, said hello, no coffee, nothing, straight to work. Hey, so efficient. I like that. They were so unbelievable professional. The entire thing took half an hour. They were in and out. They did what they promised. Safe, efficient. No, handshake and they were gone. Excellent. I will recommend them to everybody. Safe working equipment, sharp chains. No, they knew what they... Well, this was bragging about somebody else's job, RC. People around here, they know him. I don't think they travel too far, but yep, I definitely recommend them. Well, thank you for watching. Till the next one.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, back a year